Meaning of geared.
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 Geared. The term geared refers to a mechanism or process that is designed to work in conjunction with other parts or factors for optimal performance. This can include the use of gears, pulleys, or other components that work together to transfer power or motion from one object to another. When something is geared towards a specific goal or outcome, it means that it has been specifically designed or optimized to achieve that result. This can be seen in a variety of contexts, from the design of machinery to the development of marketing campaigns or educational programs.